students, welcome to the next online session of accountancy class. Our first chapter is over, so we are moving on the second chapter, that is partnership accounting basic concepts. Accounting for partnership is the major portion of the plus 2 accountancy. The accounting for partnership is very simple. In this video, I am going to discussing what is partnership and what are the basic concepts of partnership, features and meaning of partnership, and what is partnership deed, and concepts of partnership deed and the partnership accounts. So, basically partnership is a voluntary association of two or more persons. They on the basis of an agreement pool the resources. A jointly started a lawful business. The main aim of starting such a business is to earn profit and share it among themselves. So for example, in this image, you can see that there are two people here. First one is Johnny and second one is Ron. Johnny and Ron are friends. So, Johnny have an idea to start a business and Johnny has some money in his hand. So, Johnny said to Ron that if you bring some money, we can start a business together. And Ron accepted that and they were started business. When they started a business, the Johnny and Ron became the partners and they collectively known as firm. So the term partnership business or the partnership accounting is one of the important chapter in your plus 2 accountancy subject. In this first chapter, that is partnership accounting basic concepts. In this chapter, I am going to discussing what I mean by partnership, what is the definition of partnership firm, and what are the characteristics of partnership firm, and also what I mean by partnership deed. Before going to discussing this topic, first of all, you understand what is partnership firm. I already said the partnership means or partnership is a voluntary association of two or more persons. They on the basis of an agreed pool the resources and jointly start a lawful business organization. Actually, the term or the partnership business is a type of business organization. I think in your plus 1 classes or plus 1 business studies have discussed or you have learned different types of business organization. Sole proprietorship, partnership firm and joint stock company, etc. So partnership is a one form of business organization. It's a voluntary association of two or more persons to start up a lawful business organization. That is partnership business. So this is the definition of partnership firm. That means this definition of partnership firm is the relation between person who agreed to share the profit of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So when they started business, they will agree to share profit on a desired ratio among the when they started business, they will agree to share profit on a desired ratio. It may be equally or it may be depends upon the agreement. So the section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines partnership as the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So, it is one of the important definitions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. In this definition says that partnership is the relation between two or more persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So, it is a form of business organization and also it's a voluntary association of persons. So, in this partnership business, there are different members joined together and they will start up a new business venture that is known as partnership firm. So, next I am going to take about what are the general characteristics of partnership business or partnership firm. These are the main characteristics or features of partnership firm, that are number of persons, agreement or partnership deal, then business, sharing of profit, unlimited liability and no separate legal entity. So the first feature is number of persons. The minimum number of partners or the minimum number of partners required to form a partnership business is 2. So the each and every partnership business is the minimum number of persons or the partners required to form a the minimum number of partners required to start up a partnership business is 2. According to Companies Act 2013, the maximum limit of persons in case of a partnership for a banking business is 10. In case of other partnership is 100. So, when we are starting a partnership business, the minimum number of person is 2. The maximum number of person is defined under the Companies Act 2013. When the partnership business is a banking business, at that time the maximum number is 10, and when the partnership business is other type of business, the maximum number is 100. So the minimum number is 2, maximum number 100. When the partnership is a banking business, at that time the maximum number is 10. And it may be noted that the minimum number is fixed by Partnership Act 1932, whereas the maximum limit is prescribed by the Companies Act 2013. In the case of a partnership business, the minimum number is fixed by the Partnership Act 1932 and the maximum number is fixed by the Companies Act 2013. And the second feature is agreement or deed. For the formation of a partnership, and an agreement between persons is essential. The agreement may be either or written. The legal competent persons alone can enter into an agreement of partnership. The minor, insolvent, lunatic, etc. are not enabled to become partners since they are logically incompetent persons. The agreement or deed means while we are entering into a partnership business, the partnership agreement, the relationship between partners or the agreement between partners is essential for start up a partnership business. The agreement may be in either written form, and the following persons, that is lunatic, minor, insolvent, in these type of category of disabled persons are not entering into a partnership business. Then third one, business. Partnership can be formed only for the purpose of carrying out some business. The business must be profit seeking and also lawful. So the main aim of partnership business is to earn or it's a profit-seeking organization and also it's a lawful business organization. Then fourth one is sharing of profit. One of the important objectives of the agreement of the partnership business is to share the profit. The profit of a partnership business must be shared by all the partners in an agreed ratio. In case of loss, it should also be shared by them in the same ratio. In the absence of an agreement, profit or loss should be shared equally. So the sharing of profit is one of the important characteristics of partnership business. Partnership business is a profit-seeking organization. So these type of business organizations are earning profit. These profits are shared among the partners. So the partners are sharing the profit based on their partnership deed or based on the agreement. Sometimes the partners are sharing their profits on the basis of an agreement ratio or agreed ratio. If the business suffering losses, it can be also sharing the agreed ratio. In the absence of an agreement, whether there is no agreement in the case of in a partnership business, at that time the profit or loss should be shared equally. The next one is unlimited liability. The liability of the partners of a partnership firm is unlimited. It is joint and several. It means that two partners is jointly and also individually liable for the payment of all the debts of the firm. So the liability of the partnership firm is unlimited. The partners are jointly and also individually liable for the payment of all the debts of the company. Then last one is no separate legal entity. That means a partnership is not a legal entity. It does not enjoy any legal status apart from the partners. That means if a partner is died, that means the end of the partnership business. So there is no separate legal entity for the partnership business. So these are the main characteristics or general characteristics of partnership business. First one, number of persons minimum 2, maximum 100. When the business is a banking business, at that time it is maximum number is 10. Then agreement or deed. While starting a partnership business, we must the agreement or partnership deed is essential. The next one is business. The partnership business is always profit-seeking organization. Then next one is sharing of profit. Whether the organization earning profit or losses, it can share among the partners in an agreed ratio. There is no partnership deed or there is no agreement between partners. At that time, the profit or losses can be shared equally. Then unlimited liability. The liability of the partnership firm is unlimited. The last one is no separate legal entity. So this is all about today's class. Thank you for watching this video.